Accessibility is no longer a concern for large roofing projects. The MTX system has been designed with an interlocking modular cart and rail system that allows materials to be transferred up or down slope, then advance continuously to the leading edge, thus eliminating the wasted labor of carrying materials long distances by hand. Splice kits clamp to the roof seams and are required at every joint of the rail. Splice kits should be evenly spaced. This makes pushing heavy loads easier and is necessary for docking the transfer carts when transferring materials up or down slope. The splice kits are designed with a centerline tape measure slot, so one man can extend the rails when advancing down the roof. Splice kits should never exceed 12-foot spacing. This can overload the roof deck and increase the difficulty of rolling materials on the rails. The rails have a specially formed profile that helps protect the roof finish from scratches and dents. This profile corrugates with each splice kit tightly when the rails are laid into place and can be removed quickly if needed.
The carts have been designed with a removable axle hub. This allows for bundles to be placed directly onto the rails and lifted into the carts by hand when needed. The transfer has been designed into 4 lightweight components that quickly pin together for use. Each are designed to support a 1,000-pound maximum load.
Place each end truck 2 feet apart and perpendicular to the roof seams. This will shore the transfer upright and aid setup. Place the end trucks directly onto the panel seams. Ensure the ramps are correctly bearing onto the rails at equal distances during setup.
Installing the seam clamp will ensure the load cannot roll backwards if unattended or overloaded.
Two erectors can push a load weighing 2,400 pounds with ease, thanks to the high-quality components we use to manufacture this equipment, the best the USA can offer, and the design of the upright handles and smooth walking surface, which keeps the erector upright and most productive. Developing the ability to move heavy loads in a second direction efficiently was no easy task on a metal roof, but we got it right by use of good design, balance, and counterweighted retractable ramps.
When materials are needed uphill at harder to access locations, the transfers allow you to push materials directly uphill, thus eliminating the need for preloading bundles, long reach cranes, or carrying materials long distances by hand. A typical crew of 4 can push 2,400 pounds uphill on a 1/4-12 roof slope. As a rule of thumb, decrease the load by 300 pounds for each 1/4 inch increase in roof pitch.
Keep your bundle sizes manageable by providing bundling instructions to your roofing panel manufacturer, limiting weights to the maximum 2,400 pounds during the planning phase of your project. All loose equipment has a storage place on the galvanized skids. Inventory, store, and transport easily between projects. The skids are lifted onto the roof by forklift or crane and match the width of a typical 24-inch standing seam panel, so panel abrasion is avoided by the equipment. Do not load the rail skid on the roof, as it will exceed the allowable capacity of your roof. We recommend placing the rail and splice kit skid directly next to your material staging area. As part of an efficient workflow, place rails and splice kits on your bundles at ground level, so you'll never have to carry equipment where it's needed. Just place the bundle on the runway and push it where it's needed with ease. A major cost contributor to metal roofing is labor. The more accessible the materials, the more efficient the installation will be, which translates to time and money saved. Visit panelclad.us for more information on the MTX and other systems designed to keep your workforce on the leading edge.